Hi everybody, and welcome to this meditation to have inspiring ideas with Archangel Metatron and a Garuda Bird. So close your eyes and take a few deep, relaxing breaths. Allow peace to flow into your body, into your mind, and your heart. And see your big and strong energy roots connect you right into the core of Mother Earth. Now, invoke Archangel Metatron. See him arrive in his magnificent golden orange light. He is going to take you on a very special journey. But first, he wraps you into a ninth-dimensional bubble of his golden orange light. Next, he wraps you into his wings. Just feel the power and the texture of the feathers all around you. He transports you out into the cosmos, past the sun, to a very special realm beyond Helios, beyond the great central sun. As you arrive, you look with wonder in your eyes at this special, magical, golden realm. But what attracts your attention most are the large, colored birds that you see in the skies. They have the most exquisite golden red feathers. Archangel Metatron explains that these are Garuda birds. They are sacred and incredibly wise. He asks whether you would like to meet one of them. You nod, and Archangel Metatron sends out a telepathic message. And a flock of these incredible beings changes direction and flies towards you. The birds come down and land at a short distance from where you and Archangel Metatron are. They are incredibly beautiful and almost human size. One of the birds comes forward. It stands before you with its wings folded and looks at you with curiosity. It emits a soft bird sound to greet you. It sounds almost like a song. Look into the bird's wise eyes and greet it back. Greet it with love from your heart. Make a connection. Suddenly, the Garuda flaps its powerful wings. The movement causes a gust of air so powerful that it clears the whole of your aura. And your mind. The Garuda now opens its wings. The open wings symbolize an open heart. The Garuda looks at you expectantly. You imitate it and open your arms as wide as you can, and you raise your heart towards the universe, radiating pure love. Allow your heart to open wider and wider. Feel the heart pulsing with love and sense all of your energy fields expand like the wings of the Garuda. And just stand like this for a moment. The Garuda invites you now to sit on its back. It closes its wings and you hop on, then it opens them again and takes off. It flies you through this golden magical realm. It is bright like the sun, and in fact the Garuda is a sunbird. As you are soaring high, your mind becomes sharp and bright like the sun. And in this state of expansion and focus, you can easily receive divinely inspired ideas. So take a moment now to let creative inspiration flow into your mind. And the Garuda Bird now flies you back down to where Archangel Metatron is waiting. Come down from the Garuda Bird's back and once more look into its eyes. The Garuda Bird has a gift for you, so stretch out your hand to receive it now. Thank the Garuda Bird for this unique experience. See it joining its flock and see them soaring high with powerful wings and open hearts. Archangel Metatron wraps you into his wings and returns you safely through time and space, back to earth, back into your room, and feeling your feet firmly on the ground. You can open your eyes. Thank Archangel Metatron, and remember to put your ideas into action. Have a wonderful day.